Good evening. This is Colleen Moore. I'm an independent sales rep for the Avon company. I've been a rep for probably about 16 years now, really getting up there. I'm a Silver Ambassador, and I'm also the leader of the team Movers and Makeovers. Welcome to my channel. Really quickly, I only have two items that I want to, or products I want to discuss with you tonight, and one of them is from the personal care collection. It is shampoos. We came out with these new shampoos, the Botanicals. This is avocado and guana. This is the shampoo and the conditioner set together. They are, and I have to get my glasses here, regular $5.39, on sale for $4.49. And actually, at first, I thought this was kind of an expensive shampoo, but this has 6.7 ounces in it and a regular swab, and I have this here to show you the difference in size, has 12.6. Now, two of these are just a little bit more than one of these, and this here probably cost me about $3.50, somewhere in that neighborhood. So this here is a little bit more expensive, but I have found I've had trouble with my hair for quite a while. Almost all my life all my adult life, I should say. And I have to really be careful with the products that I do put in my hair. And they have to have oils in them. They have to not be drying, because my hair is dry. A lot of people that have worked on my hair, cut my hair, styled my hair, have said I have very healthy hair. But when you're working with it day in and day out, you realize that my hair is very dry. It frizzes very easily, so I have to kind of watch the products that I do buy. And I do have to say I love these products. Like I said, they're just a little bit more expensive. If you double that, that's like $8, $9 to maybe like $3, almost $4 here. But then you're getting almost twice the product. Two of these make a little bit more than one of these. So you kind of have to weigh the pros and the cons for the shampoos. And I think this shampoo is quite worth it. It does come with the, like I said, the avocado and guana. This one here is an anti-frizz, which is right up my alley. It's a nourishing avocado oil and guana seed extract to help protect hair from damage and preventing breakage. And that is exactly what I have, and I absolutely love this shampoo. It makes my hair feel awesome. But then again, I think I said this in another video, that it's kind of like medicines too. If you use this day in and day out, then your hair gets saturated. There is a residue that stays on your hair, and that needs to be stripped away. So you never use, at least in my opinion, this is just my opinion. Well, I shouldn't say just my opinion. There's other people that have the same opinion I do. But you should use 2, maybe 3 different kinds of different shampoos, so that you can strip one shampoo from the time before and then start over. And any shampoo that you use, I don't care what it is, will have a buildup on your hair. That's the protecting layer that puts that shampoo, that formula puts on your hair. And like I said, this one here is the one that prevents breakage, and it's anti-frizz. So there are things that are going to remain on your hair to help it. It isn't just the shampoo. I mean, you don't shampoo your hair and then rinse out every last drop of this stuff, or how's it supposed to work? It just simply cleans. So you need to change shampoos constantly, which is what I do. So I have several different kinds that I use, and one of them is the bee. Is it the bee balm? It's the Propelli Therma, and it has honey oil. Honey in it, and I use that in between each of one of these, because it seems to really strip the hair. Because after a while, you can almost kind of feel that there is a coating on your hair, and it really strips your hair of all the stuff that it had on before, and then it almost feels like it's light and fluffy, and almost like you had really long hair and you cut it. I don't know if any of you have ever done that, and when you cut your hair that is long, you can almost feel like there's hardly no air or hair, there's no weight on it at all. And that's what the Propelitherma makes my hair feel. So that is a staple as far as I'm concerned. And yes, it's $15. It is, let me see here, normally $18 on sale. Well, actually on sale right now for $15.79. It was on sale for regular $15 when I had bought it before, but now it's on sale for $15.79. And even though that is expensive, there is, let me see here, 16.9 ounces, which is more than this. And like I said, this cost me maybe at the most $4. It is a very expensive shampoo, but it does so well with my hair that to me that is worth it. Now, moving on, our Botanicals also comes with a cherry blossom and hyaluronic acid. It moisturizes dry, damaged hair with our hyaluronic acid infused formula. Sorry that I can't pronounce that word. As thirsty strands drink it up. So like I said, my hair is dry. So this here actually works well with my hair too. So when I'm not using this one, I use this one. And I do use, I always use conditioner. I never use an all-in-one. It just doesn't seem to help my hair. It actually dries it out even more. So I never use a two-in-one shampoo, conditioner, shampoo. I always have them separate. Now it also comes in a rosemary sea salt, and I will show you this right here. This one right here. It is with rosemary to help promote thicker hair, scalp health, and sea salt to add body. Now, I don't have any of those problems. My hair is very naturally thick, even though I do lose my hair. Every time I shampoo, which I shampoo daily, maybe every now and then, you know, I might skip, depending on, you know, what's going on or for the next day. Maybe if I'm just staying at home and I don't really feel like it, I won't. But most of the time, I wash my hair every single day. That just didn't seem to be something that my hair needed. So I actually did not try that one. But if that sounds like it's up your alley, that if you have thin hair and you want thicker hair, I'm telling you, I think this here is actually worth the price. Even though it is in a smaller bottle than this. And this is like, I think, the normal size that you would get in Suave. This is the difference there. So I would definitely, in my opinion, that there is a 5-star. I actually love those perfumes. Shampoos and conditioners. I'm telling you, I made another video right before this in here about jewelry, and I could not talk. And it's not really that late. I'm down in the evening in my studio because my Avon came today, and I'm going to be putting those orders together. And I thought I'd get this out of the way, and that way I can listen to music or watch a movie or something and not have to worry about it as it's getting late. It's not that late. It's dark out, but it's not that late. I don't know why. I had a great night's sleep last night. I've been busy. I know I have things going on in my mind, but I have no excuse as to, you know, why I'm not talking correctly. And the other thing I've been dying to show you, and when I actually had a chance to make a video, it wasn't in the book, so I was afraid to actually make a video for it. And then it came back out in the book, is our, let me see here, is our 14-piece plastic food storage set. It is regular, I gotta put my glasses on again. I wanna make sure I get this right. $36.99 on sale for $27.99. That is this set right here. You get 14 pieces. Now that's 7 different containers. Each piece has a lid, so that's why there's 14, so that means there's only 7 pieces. And I have to show you, look how big this is. This is like something that I would buy to put Christmas cookies in. This is how big it is, and everything fits inside. And I do have to apologize. I am using one right now, so I'm sort of missing one right here. But there are 7 of these pieces. They all fit inside here for storage. Stick it in your closet. You don't have to worry about you know, the different sizes not fitting into each other and having to store them all separately. And the lids, fit right inside each other, so that when you put it together and stick it in your cupboard, everything is in there. Now, I do have to say this doesn't have the quality of Tupperware. Now, Tupperware is very expensive. Any of you that have bought Tupperware lately, which I have a lot of Tupperware in my cupboards. I do like to keep organized. And when I get those storage mates, my cupboards really look nice and neat. And being that we're back in the woods a little bit, we're sort of country, we have... you know, I worry about bugs getting into my flour, my sugar, my pastas, you know, my rices. Some of those things, I just like them in containers that are sealed tight. So I have the storage mates there. And this one here, I would not be afraid. This here it snaps really tightly and it keeps things really fresh. But I just love the different sizes of different things that you need. And I just had to share that with you. Like I said, it is $27.99. That seems expensive. If you divide that up, you're going to spend a lot more for Tupperware. So I think this is an excellent This is an excellent addition. That's what I told you. I cannot talk tonight. An excellent addition to your storage collection. And like I said, I used it over Christmas and New Year's, and I thought I had all the pieces, but I was doing videos tonight, so I thought, you know, I would at least bring that down and show you that much while it's still available that you can get it. Those are the only two things I wanted to talk tonight. I don't want a very lengthy video. I find that if the videos are too long, people get bored with them. And unless, you know, like the other one that I did tonight was all jewelry, then you're so totally focused on the jewelry. But when you have like the shampoos and then a storage, it's a little bit of everything. And people, if you make it too long, people don't tend to stay tuned in. So I just wanted to share those two things. Both of them, I give them a 5 stars. Well, actually the storage unit, I'll give a 4 stars because like I said, it's not the quality of Tupperware, but it does the job. I don't know if any of you have gotten pieces from the dollar store. I have. I use them all the time. They're not Tupperware, but they suit me fine. So I'm just going to give that 1 star less just because it's not as high quality as the Tupperware. But then again, you're going to pay for it. So for now, this is Colleen Moore. If you have any questions, get in contact me. I would be more than happy to help you with any of your concerns. You stay safe and God bless. Mwah.